To share internet of your Pixel 10a, you can easily do this by opening the settings, go for network and internet, and now select hotspot and tethering. Now what you have to do is just to click on this switcher to turn it on, and if you want to customize this, which is highly recommended, you have to go for this one. First of all, you can change name of your hotspot by clicking over here, but also you can view the QR code so you can quickly let someone scan it and connect. Or you can use this password manually. You can just connect. You can copy this password and send to someone. But also we can change this password if you want, which is visible over here. We get the security options. I can recommend you to switch into WA3 Personal. It's more secure than this previous option. There's also a feature enabled to turn off hotspot automatically when there's no devices connected. If you want to get your hotspot always, you will have to turn it off. And also, if you want to get the fastest possible hotspot, you have to switch for 6. Now we can just go back, and there's also option about the instant hotspot. So it will actually set up this for other devices automatically, and that's basically everything for the hotspot on this device. Now you can quickly turn it on and off by clicking on this switcher. If you find it useful, please hit the thumbs up.